Hello students, this is Chendu Gaud. In today's lecture, I am going to teach the concepts of eccentricity method. In today's lecture, I am going to discuss with you all the construction of parabola using E method. Let's look at the question. If the question is asked like this in the examination, like the distance from the fixed straight line to a fixed point is 60. Draw the curve when E equals to 1 and also locate tangent and normal at a distance of 50 from the fixed straight line. I hope you are getting the question. Dear students, I repeat the question once again. Here the distance from the fixed straight line. The fixed straight line may be sometimes, this is also called as directrix in your question paper. Directrix is also called as fixed straight line, as well as a fixed point is also called as focus. Dear students, make a note of this. What is the distance given? The distance given is 60 and it is asked to work out for a value E equals to 1, or it is otherwise called as eccentricity method, and it is also to work out the tangent and normal at a distance of 50 from the fixed straight line. 50 from the fixed straight line. Before going to work out this problem, please let's look at the definition of what exactly the eccentricity is. Eccentricity is defined as vertex to focus to the top, vertex to directrix. You can go to the other videos where I have detailed explanation regarding the eccentricity method, dear students. So eccentricity is defined as vertex to focus to the top, vertex to directrix. For example, I have a fixed straight line where a line passing to the fixed straight line is called as axis and which is perpendicular to it. This line is called the directrix and this line is called the axis. Along the axis we are supposed to fix the point focus, that is nothing but F. This is otherwise called as fixed point. Dear students, keeping in view this, I am going to locate the vertex on the axis. Vertex is a point where the curve is passing through the axis. Getting? Vertex is a point where the curve is going through axis. Keeping in view this, I am going to define what exactly an eccentricity is. Eccentricity is the distance from vertex to focus, that is V to F as well as V to A. Let this is AB and CD. So AB is the axis and CD is the directrix. Eccentricity is defined as distance from vertex to focus to the top, vertex to directrix. When you look at this, the distance is equal, common, so that is 1 upon 1. So E equals to 1. For a value E equals to 1, we are supposed to work out the curve. It is nothing but a parabola curve. Now I am going to let you and show you how to draw the construction of parabola using eccentricity method. Dear students, this is how you are supposed to fix your drawing sheet as well as this drafter. Now with the H pencil, try to draw a line of any length. Let that be a directrix. Let that be a directrix, and also locate a line perpendicular to the directrix, stating that as an axis. Let this AB is a directrix and CD is the axis. So once the AB and CD is located, as per the question, it is given that the distance from the fixed straight line to a fixed point is 60. So measuring from C on the axis, locate a distance of 60, a point on it. Let that point is named as F. Let the point be named as F. Now once the focus is located, we are supposed to locate the vertex where the point, it is a point located on the axis where the curve is passing through. So how much will be the, for the parabola, that is VF by VA equals to 1. So VF equals to VA. That means the distance is equal for focus to directrix as well as, vertex to vertex, vertex to directrix as well as vertex to focus. So how much is the distance of this? This is 60. So I need to locate at a distance of 30 the vertex. So let this be V. I hope you are getting, dear students. Later I need to locate a moving point, stating that VF equals to VE. So a point at a distance of 30, a vertical line to the axis, the perpendicular line to the axis to be drawn from the vertex, and the distance is VF equals to VE. Later you are supposed to extend the line from C to E and extend it further. Let this point is given a name E. Given E. Now we are supposed to work out a general construction where divide a axis line into any number of divisions that need not be equidistant. What I am telling is, to the next of the vertex, you are supposed to divide a line, the axis line, into any number of divisions that need not be of equal distance. Later, you are supposed to drop the perpendiculars from the VE line to the axis. Drop the perpendiculars from all the points. If you want, you can even select the focus. I am skipping that. Later, you are supposed to work out the numbering 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, so on, the number of lines you locate. If you locate more number of lines, dear students, you will be getting the smooth curve. Let this be 1 and let this is 1 dash. Let this be 3 and let this be 3 dash, so on. You no need of writing all the numbers. You can skip few numbers also. Now, upon the general construction for the diagram, you are supposed to take the engineering compass where we are going to mark the arcs onto this. Let 1 1 dash is the radius. Let 1 1 dash is the radius and F is the focus. Cut a line 1 and 1 dash above, below. Let next 2 2 dash is the radius and F is the focus, cutting the line, whichever the line you have taken the radius. So 1 1 dash, cut the 1 1 line, 2 2 dash is the radius, go to focus as the center and cut 2 2 dash line. Later, the number of lines you have located, that many number of line radius supposed to take. Now I am working for 3 3 dash is the radius, F as the center, so cut above, below of that line. Later, 4 4 dash is the radius. Getting there, students? You are supposed to have your engineering compass in order to trace this curve. Without this, you cannot work out. Please do carry engineering compass to your examination hall, failing which you cannot work out this problem. Next, 5 5 dash is the radius. 5 5 dash is the radius. F as the center, cut the fifth line. This is how you are going to work out the problem when it is asked using eccentricity method. Draw a parabola curve. I hope you are getting each and every point what I am speaking here. Later, take the H pencil and from the vertex you are supposed to locate the points passing through all these cut marks where I got the intersections. Getting, student? These all are the point of intersections. Later, even down to the down of the C, you are supposed to make all these curves points with a pencil and do not draw the direct line with the HB pencil. That won't give you a smooth curve. Once it is done, let's go to the HB pencil and take the HB pencil and in a single stroke you are supposed to draw a line, the arc, without lifting your hand, so that you are going to get a smooth curve. Do not forget to sharpen your pencil from time to time in order to get a smooth curve, dear students. So the remaining part, the below part need to be also done without lifting your hand, so that you are going to get a smooth curve. This is how you are supposed to work out the construction of parabola. I hope you got till this. Next, it is also asked in the question to draw tangent as well as normal at a distance of 50 from the fixed straight line. I hope you know that fixed straight line is also called as directrix, dear students. Now, it is asked from the directrix, so measure from the directrix a distance 50 where it is touching the curve. So here, if you look here, the 50 is meeting the curve at certain point here on the curve. Let this be a point and give some number or name to it. I am taking it as M. Later, join this M to the focus. What I am doing here is to construct a tangent and normal. A procedure is that join M to F. Later, if you look that this MF is perpendicular to the scale. Now take the scale on to the F and draw a perpendicular line meeting the directing line. Directrix, meeting the directrix, to locate a point T on it, as it is asked to draw a tangent and normal from the directing line. Later, take the HB pencil and work out to draw a tangent in a single stroke passing from T to M and extend it further so that we will be getting a tangent. So what you are supposed to do? Fix your drafter in such a way that it should pass from the point M from T. So this is a line T dash is nothing but the tangent, dear student, and perpendicular to this is the normal which is passing through point M, perpendicular to this. So T dash is a tangent and N dash is the normal. N dash is the normal. Now do not forget writing E equals to 1 here. You are supposed to work out the value E equals to 1 after completing the diagram, and do not forget to write the construction of parabola and furnish all the details, like it is also given in the question the distance from directrix to focus, the dimension. So we are supposed to work out even the dimensions also, dear students. So F till F, these are the projector lines. In between you are supposed to draw the dimension line. Later it is also asked and given the distance to work out the dimension for the directrix to draw the tangent and normal. Give certain spacing and draw arrowheads very neatly and work out accordingly, and try to write the numbers as well as the numbers and the letters in HB pencil only. Make sure all your drawings to be neat and very clear and legible to score a better mark in the final exam. I hope you are working out accordingly and you will get good marks by following my tips as well as whatever the points I am letting you know while drawing. Hope, dear students, the arrowheads to be very neat and the sharp edges, and make sure to write all the letters and numbers in the lettering standards which you have studied. This is how you are supposed to work out the construction of parabola. Hope you are getting my lectures. For more lectures, please do subscribe and like and share my channel. Thank you.